So for many businesses, they're looking at build versus buy in terms of in-house or outsource. The economics in terms of getting an off-the-shelf product that kind of claims to do it all versus using something that's custom designed, as well as the salaries and the regular costs and keeping the team fully staffed and making sure the utilization is correct. The ongoing training costs are not insignificant. There's a lot of accreditations and certifications to make sure, for things like GIAC, GIAC, and kind of making sure people understand the IEC 62443 and maintaining credentials and certifications and ongoing training. Could be looking at 10 to 20k per analyst per year, and obviously from a team of 6 to 8, that ramps up quite quickly in terms of total costs that goes alongside just salaries and bonuses, for example. So another consideration when looking at whether to outsource, whether to look at trying to create something in-house, can be tooling choices. Obviously there's a lot of really good tooling out there in the market. Sometimes the business model around that is driven by consumption and is not necessarily looking at how it can reduce risk for you as a business. So working with a partner that doesn't base their business model on the amount of tooling deployed and kind of looks to ways to optimize the amount of logs that are ingested, for example, seeing through smart approaches to how we do that we can reduce some of our clients' costs prior to coming on board by 40 to 60%. Just by being smart with how we optimize the technology. Obviously then there's the automation. We continually invest in making sure that alerts and rules and everything flows through processing the operation as efficiently as possible. We've seen 30% reductions in overheads as a result of that. And there's other hidden costs. If you're looking at doing this yourself, the cost of attrition every time an analyst leaves or one of your senior people leave. There's a whole new investment needed to bring somebody else up to speed, new training, new developments. If you've got continual turnover of headcount because it's not the environment they want to be in, obviously that's a challenge then to keep the operation to the level of quality that it needs to be.